Hello. I've had a customer phone to say that she had been locked out of her computer. She fell for a tech support scam, and as soon as she started asking questions, they popped up something that said her computer had been locked. So let's show you this. This screen, no matter what we do, there's just nothing. So if I go into Task Manager, it's hidden. It's just not there. I did manage to pull up I'm not even sure how I did that. I used Windows key X and the support menu showed up on the left-hand edge, but it's not there anymore, and I couldn't do anything with it. My keyboard was locked. I mean, it's just ignoring all input from the keyboard and mouse, and so I wasn't sure what to do. I booted into safe mode. This came up. Safe mode with command prompt. This came up. It was as if, I don't know, it was as if there was malware or something on the computer and I just couldn't get past it. So I turned to Google and I'll show you what I found. So I searched tech support scam locked screen, and I found a lot of examples of this sort of thing where, your computer was locked. These are the intro screens, the fake web pages that lead people into the tech support scams, but they weren't this. They weren't what I'm seeing now. So I went to image search and I looked to see if anyone had screenshotted something like what I was seeing. And eventually, I know it's here somewhere. There it is. Lock my PC, FS Pro Labs. So I clicked on that, and I found this important notice. It has come to our attention that some scammers use Lock My PC for illegal activities, e.g. to extort money, which is exactly what's happened here. Scammers falsely identify themselves as service providers, install this on their computer without permission, and lock the computers. So if you become a victim of such cybercrime, please use this recovery page. So I went to the recovery page and it told me that there is a secret key combination, shift space to display the password prompt, and then type in 99990111 without pressing enter, and I'll see a special code. I enter that code down here, and then their website will give me the actual password. So let's do that. I'll switch back to the computer. Shift space. I think we lost focus. 99990111. So the code there, I'll enter that. 368730435. Submit it. So I certify that I'm going to go back to so I've entered the code that they provided. I will click the I certify that I am authorized and submit. And they tell me that the code to unlock this computer is 151340. So let's go back to the computer. Do shift space again. 151340. Unlock. And Bob's your uncle. So I'm just going to do some malware scans on this computer and make sure that it's not actually infected with anything. I don't think it is, though. I think all they did was lock the computer while they were, as soon as she started asking questions. She said they drew a blue box on the screen that blocked her from seeing what they were doing when she was connected via TeamViewer. And I don't think it was for very long. So let me run some malware scans and see where we are. All right, this computer is clean. They didn't install any malware. It's got an active McAfee subscription. I just want to check that. I think she said that it had actually expired. Just uninstall Lock My PC. I haven't connected this computer to the internet because I wasn't sure that it was clean. I am now, so I might install updates, connect it and install updates while it's here. So the scammers installed TeamViewer, and then when they had control, they installed Lock My PC. So uninstall TeamViewer in their settings. It's again not connected, that's fine. So the rest, I'll phone the customer and see if she wants to keep McAfee. She's got a trial that's good for another 78 days. But I think this computer is clean. So thought you'd be interested. Thanks for watching.